Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today at my windowsill. So if you came here before, you probably saw my planner video, and now we are going to jump inside of my TpT binder. Oh wait, before I get started with this, make sure you're a subscriber and follow me on Instagram so you have all the free tips to help you with your TpT business. Okay, so inside, you'll see all of my dividers. I got these all from Target. They were in the dollar spot years ago, so I don't know if they're still there or if they'll be bringing them back. The first part of my binder has some great printables from Wonderlast. She is just like a brand expert. I honestly found her again years ago when I started my other business and was super serious with it. So she has some really great tips for branding yourself, finding your own image, and just being you. So I printed out a bunch of her free templates and checklists to help me along the way. You can again find her. Hopefully she's still around because I haven't updated and checked on her in years. Wonderlast. I'll leave her tag below. So then I have some papers that I also got from the Target dollar spot. I just write down some of my thoughts and ideas here. And then that brings me on to this part. This is a folder that has some planner stickers in it. Guess where these are from, guys? Dollar Tree. Work it. This brings me into my calendar. It turns into a 2-page spread. This is for June. Some things that I do like to put in my calendar. I wrote a list down for you guys. So I put my money goals. This month I wrote down how much I earned. But for the next month and for the months to go on, I'm going to write down my money goals. I like to write down the promo day for TpT, which is always the 20th of the month. That means that you can sign up for promoting one or several of your products, but of course you have to pay for it. It's like the paid ads on Instagram and Facebook. And I also wrote down my TpT payout date. I like to write down holidays and professional development. So I should have the date of the TpT conference on here, but they are on my phone. And I also like to write down some social media lives or Zoom meetings that are happening. So like the Ebony Educators virtual chat, that was awesome. The Black Girls Teach Retreat was amazing as well. So I have plenty more templates of monthly schedules, and then I have my weekly schedule. So of course you just write down anything. I write down anything that has to do with business goals that I need to get done. I have a little magnetic bookmark that I got from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, guys, as you can see, I need to update some of this stuff. So I've just been busy creating my product, and I've been really focused on this one product because it is actually going to be a major project. So ignore the tape. I had to do what I had to do because I have a toddler at home and he gets into things. So of course this was when he was about 2 years old. He's 4 now, so he ripped this, but I kept this piece and just taped it back because, yeah, you know, frugal. And this is fairly new because I don't have much written down here. So this template is from one of my friends on Instagram, the SOS teacher. You can find this in her TpT store, and I'll definitely leave her link below. I have a password tracker, and this template is from, this template is from an Etsy shop. If I can, actually I do have her saved. Here she goes too. Pretty Pink Planners. These templates were like super cheap. So she has some social media planners and all different types. So I'll definitely leave her link below as well. Printed out back, upside down, so ignore that. This is some templates from Content Sparks. This helps me with my plans of different content that I want to create in the future, such as like live workshops, webinars. They even give you some ideas about like infographics, social media posts. So I would check them out and see what else they have to offer, because they are new to me, so I don't know too much about what they offer, but they can be great for your business. So this is from Pretty Pink Planners again, and this is a weekly planner for your social media. Instead of Twitter, I wrote YouTube. I am not the best at scheduling my social media posts, but I noticed that it could be such a great help, because I mean, it will help me to stay on top of it, you know, and I won't just have those blank days where it's like, I want to post, but I don't know what to post. Then there's a July planner. I wanted to use this just strictly for my YouTube videos, and hopefully if I get the ball running or get the ball rolling, I can start putting my videos up because I have the ideas. Then my Pinterest profile planner. So I am not heavy on Pinterest yet, and which is crazy because a lot of TPTers say that they get majority of their sales from Pinterest. So I definitely want to, you know, learn it and do it right. So I'm in the planning process of Pinterest. And again, this is Pretty Pink Planners. Here's another folder back here for me. And oh yeah, money time. So this is my monthly business tracker, again from the SOS Teacher. This is an old expense report. I made this from my old business. And as you can see, it doesn't cost much to run your TpT business. For the month of June, I only bought a pack of fonts. And then in July, I definitely count that as an expense because it's professional development. So my TpT conference ticket was $49. And that's about it. Some more templates back here, and now so random. So I need a spot to where I can just run to notebook paper and just write down stuff. Just write down things, random notes to myself, some tips. I don't only listen to TpT sellers or TpT coaches. I definitely listen to mindset coaches and business entrepreneurs. So you guys got to just expand your market and expand your learning, and definitely get out there and find out who else can be out there to help you. So yeah, these are like some notes from my old business. So Queen and Crowns, when she was up and running, I kind of paused on that, and I'm running with Tony in first. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful for you, and hopefully you can create a business binder of your own and get you really organized with TpT. So subscribe, like, share. I love you guys, and hope to see you in my next video.